Alright, here's the camper. There's the big fridge. There's some cabinets. There's the stove, an oven, and the big 2-basin sink. And the other bed, not up. Here's the bathroom. I'm not gonna put that back up. We already put it down. And I'm gonna slide the slide in, slide it back in because it's out. And there's the camper. Mini put up just to get stuff in it. All right, bye. Here's one of the drawers. It's got the remote for the, yeah, my brain will kick in a minute. The remote for the radio. There's my knives and forks. Here's another one that's got my really sharp knives in it. There's another one down here that's got a little tiny bit here where I'm gonna put like Dawn and stuff like that, probably, if it'll fit. And then here's the bigger one, the bigger cabinet. This cabinet over here is small. It's a small cabinet, but dishes and stuff will fit in there pretty well. This thing right here goes all the way out to the outside. This one right here, this will probably keep my Dawn and stuff because it'll be tall enough. And then this one here, if you can see, I'm trying to not get my fingers in the way. I've got a little vacuum cleaner in here. I need a tiny little broom too. Got some lights here. The awning light, floor light, the up here lights. And then it's got, this one's full of stuff. And then that one down there. So we got a lot of storage in here compared to what I was looking at. All right, bye. Here's what it looks like all packed up. There's one more thing I need to look at. I did put this in here to keep the chains from rusting as much as possible. Because it's just a mess. Oh, and I didn't put those up. Well, let's do that real quick. I'm going to try to show you, because I'm a firm believer in work smarter, not harder. But it's hard to do with one hand. There we go. All right, let's go over to the other side. They're already rusted. And I just don't want them to stay on the ground when it snows and rains. There we go. That's it. It's up. All right, bye.